using geothermal energy for efficient snow removal. Team Maui. The problem: snow removal has become inefficient in York Region, taking too much money, creating unnecessary carbon emissions, and making too many harmful consequences. In 2017, Toronto spent $90 million on snow removal, using machines like snowplows and sidewalk bobcats while paying workers as well. Bear in mind, in 2017, York Region was not nearly as populated or developed. Today, more areas need to be snowplowed by the government. Contraptions used for manual snow removal on roads are almost always powered by gas, emitting carbon into the atmosphere. Team Maui's system takes away the need to use these machines, keeping the concept of clean energy thriving. 30% of car accidents happen because of ice and snow on roads, 5% of which result in death, all because of inefficient snow removal. In 2019, over 400 car crashes happened in the GTA during the big first snowfall, due to bad road circumstances. Team Maui is aware that salt is commonly used as an alternative to complete this task. Nonetheless, on many grounds, one can come to the conclusion that this is both unsustainable and harmful. Road salt contains free-floating ions, which speeds up the process of iron oxide when in contact with water. Iron oxide, better known as rust, corrodes vehicles and deteriorates traffic infrastructures, as you can see on the picture to the left. It is also toxic to both flora and fauna, encouraging salt-resistant species and obstructing plant life from the ability to consume nutrients, which is what is happening to the tree on the right.
The solution. In East Gwillimbury, Team Maui plans to use geothermal energy as an efficient and sustainable way to melt snow before it can pile up on roads, sidewalks, and school grounds. You must be wondering how. Our plan. Team Maui plans to implement wires underneath roads that are heated through a geothermal energy plant. These wires will keep streets and grounds at a minimum temperature so that snow will immediately melt on contact, therefore removing the need for manual snow removal.
This is our prototype. And now I will go through a 3D step-by-step in-depth tour of our prototype. In East Gwillimbury, a power plant will be installed and constructed above an underground reservoir heated by the Earth's heat. Then a heat pump will be installed right just above this reservoir, which pumps up the hot air and steam. This will be directed to a turbine. The turbine will spin the steam while the hot water is then led to a cooling tower where it is cooled and injected back underground to the reservoir where we can use it again. The steam gets directed into a generator, which spins the steam and generates it into electricity. The electricity gets stored in this electrical box. Cabled wires are then hooked on and passed through the underground, which are then led to the nearest intersection, parking lots, sidewalks, and school grounds. Then, these wires are then heated by the electricity, keeping the road at a minimum of 1 degree, heating the road and also melting the snow and ice immediately as it reaches the surface. For intersections and parking lots, the wires will be implemented between the 2 layers of asphalt. For the school grounds and sidewalks, they will be laid on the nearest layer of building material to the surface. These circuited wires are also covered in a safe material, fireproof rubber-like polymers, which ensures human safety and prevent possible fires. The melted water and excess water will be then taken on its normal disposal path and flowing down sewers.
What next? Team Maui's plans to repurpose excess geothermal energy as air conditioners in warmer seasons for institutions such as community centers, libraries, and more. Our summary. Through these practices, one can deduce a more sustainable traffic system which cuts down on snow removal costs and carbon emissions, increases road safety, and abolishes the use of road salt, which has proven to be damaging. In the past month of fabricating an idea, researching, designing, and refining, Team Maui believes to have created a safe, feasible, and renewable approach to continually remove snow from East Gwillimbury and pave the path for the future.